everybody, welcome to Beginner 1. In this video, I hope to teach you some basic English. So this video is for low-level beginners. Now when you watch this video, I want you to pay attention. Watch full video, okay? Please listen carefully, and if there are any words or expressions that you don't know, please check your dictionary. Another thing you should do is repeat after me. Repeating is a really good practice. If you try your best and watch full video, I know that your English will get better. Well, let's get started. Now in this video, I want to talk about the difference between consonants and vowels. Now in the English alphabet there are 26 letters, and in the alphabet there are 5 main vowels and 1 special vowel, and the rest are consonants. So let's look at the board. Here's the alphabet. The first letter A is a vowel. The next letter B is a consonant. C is a consonant. D consonant. E is a vowel. Then F is a consonant. G consonant. H consonant. I is another vowel. J is a consonant. K consonant. L, M, N are consonants. O is another vowel. P, Q, R, S and T. These are all consonants. U is the last main vowel. V consonant. W consonant. And X consonant. Y is the special vowel, and we'll talk about that more later on. And Z is the last letter, and it is a consonant. Okay, so there are 26 letters in the alphabet. There are 5 main vowels, 1 special vowel, and the rest are consonants. Okay, let's move on to the next part. Okay, let's look at some words. Now all English words have vowels, maybe 1 or many vowels. So let's look at these words. The first word is cat. Okay, we have C is a consonant, A vowel, T consonant. Egg, E is a vowel, and G is a consonant. Hit, H is a consonant, I a vowel, and T a consonant. Top, T is a consonant. O is a vowel, and P is a consonant. The last word is cut. C is a consonant, U a vowel, and T a consonant. So we have the main vowels A, E, I, O, U. Now I said Y is a special vowel. That's because sometimes it's a vowel and sometimes it's a consonant. So let's look. Bicycle. The letter Y sounds like I. Bicycle. I is the letter I, right? It sounds like the letter I. So in this case Y is also a vowel. Pretty. Y sounds like E. Okay, pretty. So it's a vowel. Usually if Y comes at the beginning of a word, or if it makes a YUH sound, for example yes, and yummy, it is a consonant. So remember 5 main vowels, and Y is a special vowel. Now move to the next part. We're going to talk about using a or an. Okay, we use a or an in front of nouns. Well, what is a noun? A noun is a person, place, thing or animal. Okay, so let's look at the board. The first noun we have is banana. Banana starts with the consonant B, so we put a banana. Look at the next word, apple. In this case, the first letter is a C. A is a vowel. Remember the vowels are A, E, I, O, U. So we have to put an apple. Cat. The first letter C is a consonant. So should we put a or an? Remember, if it's a consonant, we have to put a cat. The next word, boy. Again, the word starts with a consonant B, so we have to say a boy. The next word, egg, has the letter E in front. E is a vowel. So what do we put? We put an. If we read it, it sounds like an egg. Okay, and the last word is ant. Ant starts with the vowel A, so again we must put an ant. Now, let's go through these words together. a banana, an apple. Keep in mind that when you have an in front, it has to sound almost like one word. An apple, a cat, a boy, an egg, an egg. Again, it sounds like one word, an egg, an ant. Now move to the next topic. I'm going to talk about singular and plural nouns. Singular means one and plural means more than one or many. So let's look at the board. This part is showing singular nouns. Remember, singular means one. So when the noun is singular, we put a or an. So let's look. A ring. That means one ring, a ring. A dog, again one dog, a dog. A teacher, one teacher. A teacher, an apple, one apple. An egg, one egg. So again, one noun is singular. Now over here we have plural nouns. Plural means more than 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So many. So when we have a plural noun we have two. Don't forget we have to put s or es. Again, if there's more than one, if the noun is plural, you have to put s or es. Now the nouns here. You just have to add an s, and we're going to go through them right now. 2 rings. We had one ring, a ring. Now we have 2 rings with an s. We had a dog. The plural is 3 dogs. Again s, 3 dogs. A teacher. 1 teacher. 4 teachers. 4 teachers. Don't forget the s. You must not forget that. An apple, that's 1 apple. Then we have plural, 5 apples, 5 apples. Okay, and the last one, an egg, 1 egg, 6 eggs. Let's move on to the next part. Now we have some more nouns. These nouns are a little bit different. When they're singular, it's the same. You put a or an in front. But when you want to make them plural, you have to add es.so. How do we know if we should put s or es to make the noun plural? Well, let's look at the board. We have some nouns. The first one is church. Church ends in ch. So if the noun ends in ch, you have to put es.so. It becomes churches. The next word, brush. You'll notice brush ends in sh. So if it ends in sh, same thing, we add es at the end to make it plural. The next word is box. We have the letter x at the end. All nouns that end in x, we have to put es to make it plural. The last one is dress. We have ss at the end. Same thing, put es at the end to make it plural. Dresses. So, please don't forget ch, x, and ss. We must put es at the end. Now move to the next topic. We're going to talk about subjective pronouns. So, let's take a look at the word. Here they are, the subjective pronouns. Please take a careful look. They're very important in English. So the first subjective pronoun is I. I means me. I'm bestie. I. He. Now he is only used for boys or men. He. So another boy or man is he. She is used for girls or women. She. It. It is used for a place like a school, an animal like a dog, or a thing like a chair. It. The next one is you. You means you. We means other people and me. For example, I sing, you sing, and we sing. And the last one is they. They means many people, places, animals, or things. If there's more than one, we use the subjective pronoun they. So let's practice together with subjective pronouns. The first sentence on the board says Jenny sings. Now Jenny is one girl, so we can say she sings. Jack sings. Jack is one boy, so we have two. Say he sings. Jenny and Jack sing. Now Jenny and Jack are two people, so we have to say they sing. The cat runs. The cat is an animal, so we have to say it runs. The next sentence says my parents and I love cat. Okay, the difference is it says and I. So this is my parents with me. So I have to say we. We love cat. Meet you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Must subscribe. Take care.